What's up YouTube? This is Emmanuel, your host from sproutflowers.com, and welcome back. Alrighty then, I'm gonna take a look at the site that I'm building with Elementor. I'm gonna click on visit site from my dashboard, and here it is. It's not perfect, but we are still in the construction process of our site. So far we have added a smart slider, 3 custom thumbnails and a YouTube video to our page. We have also added a few social icons at the bottom of this page. Let's hop into this video quickly by entering into our page. So I'm gonna click on page and all pages. In the page that follows, I'm gonna click on no title page and I'm gonna click on edit with Elementor to enter my Elementor page builder. Alright, my Elementor page is getting loaded. Here we are at our page builder. I don't like the look of my title in my page, so I'm gonna edit my title text widget and I'm gonna change my height to minimum height, and I'll set my height to be 400. Alright, I'll set it to minimum height and I'm gonna set my height, or I'll make it just 600. Let me see. Alright, this is good. Again, I will edit my widget and click on styles, and in the background section I'm gonna add an image. I'll insert some random image from my media and I'll click on insert media. Great. Now my text background image has been added. Now I want an overlay to this image so that it looks websitey to me. In my background overlay tab, I'll select the color to be my text overlay. This should be okay, I guess. Alright, now I'm just gonna stretch this background image too, because I have stretched my other images. After I do the stretchy thing to my top of my website, I think all the other sections should follow the same pattern, because otherwise it will look like a crappy website. If you take a look, my website has uneven widgets, which might be a factor determining your website design. Your website design cannot look uneven or disorganized, so we have to change this. Alright, I'll just go to edit my slider widget and choose my minimum height, and I'm gonna choose full width for my content, and I'm also gonna set no gap in between my widgets. I'll switch on my stretchy section to make sure everything else is taken care of. Full width, and I'm just gonna stretch the section, and I think it's done. Now let's take a quick look. Let's reload this page. Alright, fantastic. Now our slider and our title with an image are in line to our content width. This is how we do it. Alright guys, we are gonna repeat this same step to our following widgets, the 3 thumbnails as well as our YouTube video. So we're gonna just repeat the same steps again and again. So I'll just fast forward it so that you guys don't get bored. Alright, in the YouTube section of my widget, I didn't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna include a new widget. I completely deleted the YouTube section. Now I'm gonna add a widget in which I can also add a text. So I'm just gonna include a video first, and then I'm just gonna type in my website's YouTube video URL. I'm gonna search for it, and I guess I found the video. This time I would like to add a portfolio to my page using my YouTube video. This is actually a portfolio of my video. Last time I just added a tutorial as my video on my page. This time I'm gonna add a portfolio to my video. So I'm just gonna paste. Alrighty then, I got a video URL pasted into my page. Now I'm gonna add some text to my page. So I'll just include a paragraph and I'll add blah 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 about my site, and it is very good that this text is right next to my portfolio video. This is very important in web designing because you have to know where to put stuff. Once I add the text, I will try to link my text wherever my website name appears in my text. If I click here at the link button, I can include a link to my paragraph. Alright, in this dialog I will include my website's URL and link it with my text in the paragraph. So after I type in my URL, I'm gonna just click add link at the bottom of this dialog, and as you can see, my link has been added to my text in my paragraph. Alright, I'll add some more links and I'll try to quickly edit my paragraph so that it looks better in my page, and I will also try to add some gradient style background to my text here so that it looks good. Now this is how my site looks after I made all these changes. It looks cool to me. So we have a slider, we have a wide page display, we have a portfolio video, and we have a custom text next to our video. So that's it for now, guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the notification button to get your notifications from our channel. And also, I would appreciate if you like us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.